Welcome everyone, this is Ice Gamer. I hope the Ice Tribe is ready to go and ready to rock and roll on this game today. We are Mario Sunshine, episode 2. I think it's number 3 Sunshine we are on. We gotta go to the docks of Ricco Harbor, I think it's Ricco Harbor, yeah. So there's a toll just watering down. You just jump in.
And let me.
Yes, my son's home for the week, so you'll hear him a lot on here. And I told him we'll try to get his Kirby done this week, sometime one episode.
Yep.
We'll see if we get it today. I'm hoping we do, but depends on this next stage.
Before I go, I must.
You can sit in here. I don't care, buddy.
I want to get Daddy a hug.
Alright, so we got the secret tower. Switch to the water jets, everyone. That's the first thing you should do. And we're just going over here, and we're just going to jump on that thing. It's a lot easier, I noticed, for me. Some people might have it easier just jumping off those wall thingies, but I always have it. Oh. There we go. Jump on that. And then we're going to go on that thing right there. Bam. And then we're going to take a step back, and then or do that. That'll work even better. Then we're going to go up here. That's fine. Hit me against the tower as long as you don't throw me off. And then it's the Ink Mario, Shadow Mario, or Paint Mario, whatever you want to call him. He's the one. See the oh, thank goodness. But still. Oh. Whoa. Easy, steady. They said, let the mine be one. There we go. Just a little more. Yes! Okay, get the mushroom. Okay. Alright. Whew! There we go. And now the hard part. I made it, everyone! Oh, that's so frightening and tough. Oh my gosh, we got the sunshine.
You ready?
Yes, we made it, Remy. It was a pain. It's definitely
High
safe.
five. Good job.
Like I said, you had to just keep going and just press your luck and hope for the best. That was difficult. Very difficult. It's just... Oh, episode? Yeah, episode 5. Gooper Blooper returns. Ooh.
See. Whatever.
Mini boss fight, yay! Let's go for this main boss. Alright, always way up there now. Ricco Harbor, Gooper. Alright, well, first let's get our jetpack and let's find out where he is exactly. How far up is he?
There will be.
Let's just go to the highest mountain we did last time. We're just gonna go back like we were going to the tower again, everyone. Alright. Let's get up there next.
But Dad, you don't go over there.
Oh, there he is! We can just take this route, everyone. Let's switch my thing.
But it's gonna be hard to booper here. Yeah, let's don't hit them.
Okay. Now let's turn our guy. Oh.
You can't be gas. Look, we will have fire dark pathway to him.
Maybe we should do that. Okay, yeah. We haven't done that yet. Let's go unlock. I guess we'll go there. Whoa.
Wait, what about up there?
No, I got it. I figured it out. We're gonna go on this little track thing here, everyone. Run across. Yeah, we see it. That's fine. You can't do nothing to me. Now we're gonna get our jetpack. You go here and do it. Oh, Mario messed up. Okay, what we're gonna do is get back up here, and if Mario starts listening, there we go. So then we can get up here. Alright. And so this is not in the way for later when we need it. There, now we can get access to that one. Okay. Oh, we can just jump down here, I think. Yeah. Okay.
You could get on that platform
man.
that's you.
I know, but my camera is having issues. I only got a certain amount of camera view. Right there. Okay, now let's see if we can turn correctly. No, not really. But it'll work.
Wait, set. Press on. You can just make it hot. So. What's out?
Oh, we're playing jump rope, everyone, huh? Huh?
Wow. Rapid webs.
I know. Oh, wrong button. Oh. I wasn't sure if it would work. I fell into that little pit hole. There's another one. Ow! Well, obviously. Come here. That's my arm.
Nope, it's away.
My arm.
Is that you or Mario?
That's Mario. I'm pushing the button, but he's not grabbing it for some reason. So right now I'm playing jump rope now. Aha.
You definitely hit him.
Okay, I'll go after that one then first. Fine.
Nope.
Hey.
Nope.
I think he's cheating. Finally, they let me grab it. Ah, that shouldn't have been that much work. Alright, let's go up to the next arm.
Nope, too late.
I saw it, that's why I was like, back to the middle. Jump rope. Hippity hop. Hippity hop. You missed. Try again. Hippity hop. I'm still here. What's up? Oh, you want me to catch your foot? You gotta keep it still. What, you want me to get that foot first? Okay.
You could have just told me that you want
Then fine.
my foot. Ow. Pull it.
They won't let me again.
You have been flooded, that's why. Or either back or either out, it probably won't work.
That's what I'm thinking too, because every time I'm trying to do something, I should be able to grab it, they're not letting me. Alright, there, we got the first one done, but I hope we don't have a second round with them, but I think we do. Here, I'll take that. Let me help you breathe. That's stuck in you? I got it. Just hold on tight. It's almost out. Oh, here. This is probably where I'm gonna fail everyone.
Don't be a second face here.
I know, that's why. Come on, pull, Mario. You got this. Oh. I got it.
If I were quicker, you could have got the second one.
Oh, this one's actually being tough. I got a little strategy on it. Just hit him, and he goes where you shot him. I was afraid that I was going to get hit by that. Just spray him again. There we go. That seems more safer. Let's pull it out. Let's go get his little cork out. Hold very tight. This might hurt a tiny bit, but I promise you'll feel better. Bye, I guess. There, he's in the water where he belongs. Okay. And there's our sunshine, everyone. That's episode, I think, 4.